Hey Thompson Lions, Miss Butler here. I'm going to take a few minutes to walk you through the Counselor's Corner tab on the Thompson homepage. We're going to start at the Thompson homepage, and if you'll notice up here in this red banner bar, there's a list of tabs. We're going to click on the Counselors tab. This takes us to the Counselor's Corner. In this webpage, we're going to house all of our announcements, general information, some forms that we may need you to fill out, just various things that are going to be important to you throughout the school year. One of the things I really want to point out is over here on the right-hand side of the page is the student parent request a meeting. This is where you can come if you need to request a time to speak with Mr. Rayner or myself. You're simply going to click here and it's going to pop up a Google Doc form. You're just going to take a few minutes to fill out the form. It's very basic, your name, ID number, and the reason for the request. Please note that you need to give us about 24 hours to go through the request and schedule a time to speak with you, okay? The next page I want to point out is the Counselor Q&A. This is going to be big for you guys throughout the school year. This houses our frequently asked questions. The first one, who's my counselor? 8th graders, I am your counselor, Ms. Butler. 7th grade, you're going to have Mr. Reyna. The next question that we get a lot is, how do I request a meeting with my counselor? As the previous webpage showed, you can go on that, you can go to our Counseling Corner homepage and click the form. If it's something that you just need a quick question to, or you need a more speedy reply, you can email myself or Mr. Reyna here or our email addresses, and we will be happy to return your email. I do want to note that if it's an emergency, I need you to find the closest adult that you feel safe talking to. Another big question that we always get is, how do I request a schedule change? Schedule changes are big, but I do want to point out that we only make schedule changes based on a limited basis, and it has to be after we consider a variety of circumstances. And all schedule changes must be approved through the assistant principal's office. If you'd like to request a schedule change, you can simply click here, and it's going to take you to a form that you're going to fill out. That's also going to include your name, your student ID number, and your grade level. But I also want to make sure that you understand, for us to look at and consider the schedule change, you need to tell us which class you'd like to drop and which class you would like to add. And then down here, it says any additional information you would like to share. I need you guys to explain to us why you want to make that schedule change. Some additional questions we get often are if we need assistance. If you need help with school supplies, clothing, academics, you can always come here to this form, and it's going to give you assistance for request. You can fill out this form and it'll be submitted to us, and it just lets us know what type of assistance you need. Please do the best you can to fill out the form as accurately and as in-depth as possible, so that way we make sure that we start focusing on the correct assistance for you. The next screen, or I guess tab I'd like to show you guys, is SEL topics. This year we're going to be working on social emotional learning topics. You'll be working on these different topics in your homeroom classes, but if you ever want to come back to this tab under our Counseling Corner and just take a look at the topics we've already covered, or maybe rewatch some of the videos, you're welcome to come here. All of our SEL topics we cover this year will be housed in this tab. The last tab that I'd like to go over with you guys today is for our virtual students. All students are welcome to access this tab, but virtual students, you guys will really want to make sure that you know how to get here. This is our virtual counseling corner. You can come here, go to our mediation room or meditation room, excuse me, online coloring if you guys need some self-care, or here is general information. We're going to house all of our announcements, some different newsletters and forums here for our virtual students. So please be sure that you get in the habit of checking here in the virtual counseling corner at least once a week, okay? Well, thank you guys for joining me on this quick tour of our counseling corner. I just want to take a moment to let you know that Mr. Reyna and I are here for anything you need, so please, please don't ever hesitate to reach out to either one of us. Have a wonderful day.